Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick little tutorial on how to make envelopes. If you watched, I will leave the link here in the description, up here in the corner for a video showing you how I made those 2 pocket folders. But here you see I am using my punch board to make these envelopes, and those pocket folders that I need to cover are 4x6. So I need something that'll fit 4x6. So I'm showing you right here, I found a measurement card size of 4 and 6.5. So I have to cut a paper that is 8 and 5/8 by 8 and 5/8 and use the punch mark guide at 3.5. So I've already picked out my paper. I am going to trim it down to size. It is a 12x12 paper. The paper pad is the Ooh La La, I believe is the name, from Recollections. It's a Michael's Hot Buy paper pad. I've had it for a while, and if you have been here on my channel for a while, you know that I am trying to use up the stash that I have in my craft room and not shop. And believe me, I have tons of paper, so tons of projects I can get through. So here I'm just counting the 5/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gives me 5/8. And that's where I want to measure my paper at on my paper trimmer. So it has to be 5/8 all the way around the square. And then once we get the 5/8, we'll go back to the punch board and we'll line it up so that the left hand size is at 3.5. We'll punch and we will score. We will turn the paper counterclockwise, I guess. And we will line up our score line we just made in between those 2 notches, punch and score. Turn the paper, line it up, punch and score. So we'll do that to all 4 sides. Once we get it all punched and scored, then we're able to fold it and assemble it. So here you'll see I'm just folding it on the score lines we just made in the punch board. And there is your envelope, perfect for mailing, any type of flat mail. Sorry, I'm off the screen. But yeah, see, it's gonna fit perfectly. Woohoo! So you just want to adhere the tabs on the sides. There. You can use glue, tape runner. Because it's going to go in the mail. She's going to rip it open, so just need to be secure because it is going in the postal mail. And there is our envelope, and it fits just perfectly in there. You can just add tape to secure it. You can add more glue to secure it, however you want. I'm just showing that it's still flat mail. Hopefully it can go in with just the 1 stamp for flat mail. Here's the second one. I'm just showing you again. Folding on the score marks we made from the punch board. And then I'll add the adhesive to the same areas on that flap and on the other flap. I was just making sure that the glue didn't get on the inside of the envelope. That would be horrible. My envelope wouldn't work. But there's the one for the second one. So yeah, hopefully you guys found inspiration and learned a little about this punch board. I do use it often. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, you can find them here. And until my next video, shakas!